Hey y'all, hey DW out here in the woods. I just thought I'd make a little video. What I've been doing lately, I've been camping about once a month. Haven't really did any videos since March on it. Out here in the Hoosier National Forest. I got my buddy here, Lumpy Galoot. You ain't seen him, I bet, in a while, or you haven't seen him at all. Well, anyway, just come on in with me here and hang out with me in the woods, and we might cook a little something to eat here and build a fire later. So you hang in there. Say hi to everybody, and Lumpy. Say hi out there, YouTube. You ain't very energetic right now, are you? Yeah, we've been walking around and everything. And he's got his exercise for today, I reckon. Anyway, here's the campsite here. I'll show you around. I got my canopy set up there. And it's a nice campsite here. Far enough off the road. And there's nobody really close to us. There's a road out there where it's lit up. There's a campsite right in there, over there. About 150 feet. Not too bad. And over here's a picnic table. I got some firewood going on here so we can have a fire later on. Well, that should be enough to get us going there. I brought my battery-powered electric chainsaw and forgot my chain, my bar oil. So I can't use it. So anyhow, it's just me and Lumpy. And the Hoosier National Forest. So stay tuned. Hang out with me a little while here. I'll get something together here, maybe get something to eat. Hey y'all, I'm back here. There you go. I'm gonna cook us up something good to eat here. Got my stove down here. I'll show you what I'm gonna fix here. Right down here. You know what we got? I'm gonna cut me up some sausage. And I'm gonna have sausage and kraut. I'm gonna put me some bell peppers and onion in there. And that's the kraut I'm gonna use. And got some spices here. I got some dill weed, black pepper, garlic. This is parsley in there. And so I'll just get her going here and bring you along here as I'm putting it together. Let me prep this here real quick. Alright, here's what I got. Like I said, I got some andouille sausage there. Chopped up my coins there. I'm going to throw them in there. There's a little bit of grease in there from a hamburger that I made Lumpy. You remember Lumpy, right? Lumpy Galoot. And I'm going to brown this down here. There's my stove. We can turn up the heat a little bit. There we go. Get that going in there. Okay, well, let me brown that down. Alright, give that a little bit of time. Then I'm going to put the red and green bell peppers in there and the onion. And get that brown and get them cooked down. And then put the sauerkraut in there and I'll put the rest in there. I'll show you all that. So I'll bring you right back. Alright? Alright, I got them sausages browned down. They're about done. What I want to do is put these onion and bell pepper in here to help deglaze this pan. You know, everybody complains about these stainless steel pans and all that, about not coming clean and sticking. I don't have no problem keeping them clean. These was frozen, but I let them thaw out in the fridge the last day, so yeah, it should be alright. I think I got them all in there. Yeah, mix them all in there. That would deglaze that pan. I'll chop them up too. I want to chop them up with plastic doing a hot pan. Yeah, just chop them up with a spatula. So let me go ahead and get these peppers and onions in here, cook and caramelize in a little bit. Mix them with that beef. Then I'll throw in the sauerkraut and the spices. Bring it right back. How's that looking? Pretty good? Alrighty. Now what I gotta do is put the kraut in there. I'm gonna put about half a can in there. It's just me. I don't think Lumpy wants any. Do you want any, Lumpy? He might. Lumpy? He's behind the camera. I would say it's the camera crew, but the only thing you're gonna do is knock it over. So, anyway, get some kraut in here. How's that looking? About like that there. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put some dill weed in there. About like that. All right. Got some fresh cracked black pepper. All right. It probably won't need much salt. That should be salty anyway in that. And I know here's some garlic. Garlic don't hurt nothing. Garlic good for you. And I got some parsley, dried parsley here. Parsley. All right. And let me stir that up and let it cook and mingle together there for about 10 minutes or so. And I'll plate it up. Then I'll show you what we got to eat here. There we go. I'm going to smother it here with the lid for just a couple minutes. That's it. Then we're going to plate it up. How's that look? All plated up? Look pretty good? I think so. Yeah, we're going to get down and sit down and eat that. Yep, sun's getting ready to go down. That's what it looks like here. So we get to see the sunset, have dinner, maybe have a drink later. So let DW sit here and enjoy his dinner, and I'll get back with you. Maybe chat around the campfire. How about that? Alrighty? See you here in a minute, or 30, or 35. Hey, I just wanted to show y'all what I was talking about. Look at that pan. I didn't scrub on that pan or nothing. All I did is spray some vinegar and water mix in there, used a few paper towels in there, wiped it out real good. I did it with one more paper towel and a little bit more of that. It only took me not even a minute, 30 seconds. And then I ran some more water in it to kind of get the vinegar out of it and rinsed it out and wiped off another paper towel. Look, I don't have no problem cleaning there. I don't know why everybody has a problem with it. You got to warm that pan up before you cook too, and then put your fat in there, and then warm your fat up, and then put everything in. And you got to have something to deglaze it, like your veggies or your kraut. Simple. There you go. That's a sunset. That's a Hoosier National Forest sunset. There we go. We're getting a little action going on here. Get the fire going. I haven't built a campfire in quite a while. Camped out most of this year, hadn't even had a fire going. What's wrong with me? Probably set myself on fire. Gotta burn myself. Oh. That one don't stay on it. All right. Look, I'm gonna knock the camera down. Say, D-W, be careful. Here's a little look at the campsite at night. I got my awning lit up right there. Pretty nice light. Got my light here over here on a lamp post. And I got my fire going. So I'll work on that fire a little bit. So I had a nice dinner. Real nice sunset. Hey, the moon's coming up over there. Can't really see it real good. See it come through the trees. You get the fire going here. Hydrate here first. That's before I have a few shots of bourbon. Maybe have Coke. Maybe not. Gotta hydrate. Lumpy, what are you doing over there? Are you gonna come in over here with a camera? Look, he got stick in his mouth. He's not too used to fires yet, but he does like wood. So he can go hunt us some wood. Ain't that right, Lumpy? Huh? So me and Lumpy had a good day hiking today. He taught me into hiking, and we got to hike some trails, and we seen some rock formations and cliffs, with, you know, rock outcroppings and that, and even found a little lake out there that you could only get to by hiking to. And I didn't know all that was out there, and I didn't take my camera with me, so I got some pictures, and I'll put them at the end of the video. So make sure you watch the end of the video to see the pictures. So anyway, yeah, after tonight, we're gonna just chill out, burn all this wood I got. It ain't much, probably maybe an hour and a half worth at the most. And then me and Lumpy, we're gonna have to get to bed and head on home in the morning. So we'll probably see you on another video real soon. I'm back at the house. So appreciate y'all stopping by. I really do. And I don't make many videos anymore, and I don't get to talk to hardly anybody anymore that's on YouTube, or you know, not many comments. So yeah, just comment on the video and say hey if nothing else, and I'll get back on here and get you a video up here soon, okay? Well, y'all take care, and I'll see y'all soon. So long.